Hi everybody, it's Lori with Fluid Artistry by Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you stopped by. Today I'm going to do just a little bitty canvases to test the black and white and gold with the balloon kisses. I just wanted to see before I do big pieces, because I'm thinking of using some big canvases and doing either a diptych, a triptych, I'm not sure yet, but I just wanted to see how these colors would work on a black and a white background. So I'm going to do one of these little canvases with a black background, one with a white background. I'm using the Artist Loft 4x12" canvases. I love practicing on these canvases. They're just really cute, and then I can put them in my art shows for just a small amount of money. And it gives the kids something to purchase for their rooms. So I've got the backs taped, and push pins are in there, and we're all ready to roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White and put it on one, and the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black and put it on the other one, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. We've got the black on one side, and I'm sorry about the glare from the black, but it does get glare in the camera with many lights on it all, and since we have to see, I guess we're going to have to do it. And then the white one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make some puddles. So I'm going to start on the black with white, and this is just the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White with blue. They're all mixed with blue and Floetrol. And on this side, I'm going to start with black. And again, this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And in between the black and the white, I have some golden iridescent gold. That in there so I can get it in between both of the colors so that it will play off of both the black and the white. So black over here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll speed this up a little bit in between while I'm putting these puddles down so that this isn't too long. Like that. A little more gold. Maybe a little bit more gold in here. More dark than I wanted it. Gold around just a bit. Done with that one over there yet. Just going to let the paint settle a little bit and see. Here they are. Despite the fact that I dropped the balloon in there, it turned out really, really pretty. I am super happy with them. I will definitely be doing larger painting, larger canvases like this. I'm still not sure if it'll be a diptych or a triptych, or even a quadruplet. Or whatever you want to call that with 4. I'm not sure. But it's definitely something that I would like to put in my living room over my sofa. I just love it. Them. They're beautiful. There's just enough little bit of gold in there that should shimmer and shine under a coat of resin. Once they dry, I just love the details of the balloon kisses. They're just so pretty. I have to remember to not have too much paint on the base when I do these. But even so, I was able to wipe off the balloon more in between and go over them a few times. Able to transfer black from the one side to the white side and the white to the black side as I was using the little balloon fine tune. are so many different ideas and designs that you can do with this type of technique to make it your own. Give it a shot. Take a little tiny canvas like this and just keep working it if you're having trouble with the balloon. Just keep playing around. Try the little water balloon as well as the bigger balloon. You might find that that gives you what you're looking for. If you do, let me know. Show me what you got. Show me what you've done. I would love to see your work. I don't know if you're going to see me when I do the big canvases or not. I may end up recording that too, because it will be quite different actually, because I'm going to use pretty big canvases to do it. But anyway, take care of yourselves. It's a good thing, especially this time of year. It's things can get hectic trying to get ready for holidays and winterizing your house if you're living here in the northern hemisphere like I am. All those things, you know, cleaning out the gardens and getting it ready for winter, whatever you gotta do. I don't know. But take care of yourself. Do something nice for you. It's important. How else can you have enough high vibration to spread your light and love if you don't? And God knows we need light and love out in this world right now. Always, but especially now. Bring that light out into the dark and shine it bright. Anyway, I'll stop now. Take care. Check back next time. I'm going to be posting a video of some resin works that I'm doing. And many stages involved in those, so it takes a little while to get the whole thing put together, but I've got one about ready. So we'll see you then. Take care. Bye.